Hey everybody. So today we are in Sevierville, actually downtown Sevierville, and we're going to take a look at these Christmas lights that they have hanging down here, which are pretty awesome, I think.
I think it's a precious little small town.
Yep.
A little salute to Christmas.
And while we're down here, we'll check out the Dolly statue.
Okay.
And
here we go.
Here we go. Follow us. Downtown Sevierville.
Oh, there's a museum we haven't been to yet, honey.
Nope, we haven't been there.
Museum.
Yeah, we'll have to check that out someday. Soon.
Like the snowflakes hanging from the old-fashioned lampposts.
Yeah.
Decorated with candy canes, red and white lights.
Yeah, I love the little Christmas tree over there. I'm gonna get out here and try not to get run over in the middle of the road.
There's tracks down the middle of the road, honey, like
Yes, there is.
trolley. Well, you know we're in Dolly territory, honey. Look at the big butterfly painted on them as a mural.
Yep.
On the building.
Little Christmas trees around it.
Oh, grandstand. That's cute.
And this video won't be real long. I just wanted to show you how beautiful downtown Sevierville looked at Christmas.
Another beautiful tree and Dolly statue.
Yep. Beautiful view up there.
Oh, look at these wreaths and the lampposts.
Yeah. It's nice. And this is the courthouse, I believe, here in Sevierville. So there's the Dolly statue, of course, with the Christmas tree in the background.
Stunning, stunning star topper.
Yep.
That's this beautiful starburst. Oh, the ornaments on the tree are super cute. Honey.
Yeah, we're going to take a look at it. A little presents not for Stephanie. I don't see her name on any of them.
Look at these guys. They're super cute.
Yeah, little elf, little snowman.
Really pretty.
It is. So they also have a statue of Bertie the Bird Dog, who belonged to Dr. Zachary David Massey, and he was a physician here in Sevierville. And so at any rate, the story on this dog is that every day he would go to the office with Dr. Massey, and Dr. Massey would place his deposit in a pouch each day and give it to Bertie, who would carry the pouch in her mouth to the bank. She would give the pouch to the teller and wait while the money was counted and a deposit slip was written. The teller then gave it back to Bertie to deliver to Mr. Massey. So how awesome is that?
In the 1900s.
Yeah. Good, Bertie. There's some more of the lights here in Sevierville. Sevierville Winter Fest. And then we have these bears waiting for the fish. Christmas dinner. And they have this little thing to walk through here. Okay, so what do you think of Sevierville's Christmas lights?
Sevierville is a very quaint, precious little town. And of course, it's always nice seeing the Dolly statue.
Yeah.
And especially at Christmas.
Yeah, it's been a while since we've been there. And that's what I thought the highlight was, the tree behind Dolly. So.
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah.
I liked how they had it decorated. It's fascinating.
Right. So we want to thank everybody for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And until next time,
have a
Steph-N-Lee day.